Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video we're going to be removing and installing the strong arm gas charged hatch lift support right here. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's do it. So the lower mount style is of a ball socket type, and the upper is an eyelet type. So in the top part, okay, it is a 12 millimeter socket. So we're just gonna, I have this prop set up, my breaker bar. I have it set up because we will be removing that, and removing that, well, it supports the trunk. So without further ado, I'm going to take those two fasteners off, and then I'm just going to prop that eyelet off. Okay. Now remove those two fasteners, and all we got to do is push this off. So it's just got to come off that eyelet right there. See that? That's all rusted up. Just has to come off there. We don't want to do any damage to it. So okay, it just came right off. Okay, on this old vehicle, it just snapped. Both of them just snapped off. It should just pull right out, but it snapped on both of the gas-filled cylinders. So it should just pop out, but it's so old and rusty that the entire eyelet. See where it just sheared it off right there. It just sheared it off. So you're just gonna have to take off the entire bolt. It's an older car. Get you a new gas filled lift, whatever, and then get you a. You have to use a wrench because you won't be able to get a socket over this. Put a wrench on this and take that off, and then it's just a regular bolt with a, well, it's not a regular bolt, it has an eyelet on top, which corresponds to this right here. So it should just pull right off. Usually that's what you do, but anyway, live and learn. Alright. How not to remove that. I successfully removed and installed that on a newer vehicle, but this vehicle, not so well. Check out my videos on where to find the fuel cutoff switch for this vehicle, and well, be careful with this because it's gas filled and it's under pressure. So make sure you be very careful and have the hatch held up by something. Now it's going to be really heavy since both these won't work to hold up the hatch. Well, alright, hope you enjoyed this video of me troubleshooting and messing up the lift on here, which is awesome because this is a junk car. Alright, let's do some bonus content. Bonus content being looking at my hand and then looking up, and here is the sun visor. So we're going to remove it, install it. Just going to remove, let me try to get that to focus. Is that going to focus? I don't think it's going to focus. There's 3 screws. 1 screw right here and 2 over there. So you remove that, and then you get your new visor or whatever you got, because this one doesn't even have a mirror in the back of it. Unbelievable, look at that. Doesn't even have a mirror. So you want to get one with, let's get a fancy one. Get one with an HD display, or I don't know what you want. Well, don't do that because you won't be able to see. But take these fasteners off, these screws, and then like a drill gun will work better. I don't got it on me. It'd take like 3 seconds, but we'll just just do this just for fun. Just try to talk and have fun with my viewers and show you some bonus content. So we're going to remove this, and if I can find all the screws, we can install it again. So almost got it. Almost got it. Oh, alright. So that's your visor. That is your visor. So this is bonus content. Bonus content for you guys. That's how you remove it. And installation is reverse removal. So what you want to do is you put it back up here. Ooh, look at that. It's got a little spike on it. Look at that. So I took it off like that. So you screw those up there, and then you're able to pivot it, and then get that spike in there, and then screw that last one up in there. That's how you install it. I installed one screw up there just to show you that the way you took it off is the way you got to put it back on. So I'm able to pivot that. That is nice and flush right there. And then this goes up just like that. And you put a screw up there, put your other screw right there, and then you're good to go. You got your visor back. So that's how you install it. That's how you remove it, and that's how you install it. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bonus content, so I'm going to take you up here to this light right here on the ceiling of Ford Aspire. Just take this off here like so, and look at this. Look how it works. You can see where it makes contact. Where right here, you're moving that metal part, and when you make contact with that metal contact, it turns on. So there's your light. So take that light bulb out, put a new one in. That's how you remove and install that. And then you also have the whole entire assembly here. You can remove it if you want. You don't have to. There's two fasteners here. You can just remove the whole thing if you want. And that can be a lot of fun, removing this. I mean, you'll have a big old wire dangling down, which I'm about to happen here in a minute. Don't want to lose that little screw. I could use a power drill, but it's raining and I don't feel like going outside and going and getting it. So we're just going to do this, and we're going to show you what it looks like behind it. So that's what it looks like behind it. Of course, there's going to be a little wire here, and that's where you disconnect it. You can pull this right off and then pull that out. See this part? It just detaches. You push that in and pull that out, and then the whole thing comes off. So that's it's right here. So you can just easily slide that off if you want. I don't want to. This is bonus content, so I don't want to get that back up there. Oh, a screw fell down. So, all right. Got it back on. Got it back up there. So easy to take off and so easy to put back on. All right. Have a great day.